Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal using a credit card. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see my PayPal balance here. If I go in here and I try to add money directly on here by tapping that button, it will only give me either debit card options or bank account options to be able to add that money in. So this isn't the right way to be able to top it up using a credit card. The way that you'll be able to do that is you're essentially going to send an invoice to yourself to pay. So we can do that by tapping on Send and Request at the very bottom here. And now let's tap on those three dots at the top right. After you've done that, you can see Send Invoice. Just tap on Send Invoice, and we're going to mimic that we're sending that invoice to ourselves and then pay it through a credit card. So you can see on here, I can send an invoice for $10, and then I'm going to choose Next here. And all I'm going to do is just hit Share a Link. Now, this will allow me to have the link. I'm just going to tap on Copy Link, so I get that invoice link for $10. And now let's just open up a web browser, and I'll show you hit Paste and Go. And you'll be able to see it looks like this. All right, Trevor Nace requests $10, the invoice, etc. I can scroll down and tap on the Pay button. And now, instead of just PayPal or debit card, you can see debit or credit card as an option. So I can tap on that, and I can go through the process of entering in the debit or credit card information to pay that invoice from myself. Essentially, this allows you to top up your payment using whatever kind of card you want, or of course, you can use Apple Pay if you wanted to use Apple Pay to then deposit money into your PayPal account. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.